magpaganda ng katawan, sobrang tipid lang. Makakainin natin talagang quality, talagang energy, fuel para sa katawan natin. To build and repair muscle, for better performance, and brain health and function. Yun lang yun. Ngayon, kung medyo overweight, may katabaan, yun ang magastos kasi kain, bili na food. Tayong mga nagpapaganda ng katawan, gusto natin healthy, fit, sexy, mas tipid yan. Kailangan ng sipag at syaga at consistency. Kailangan at least 10 minutes walking or running. Kung anong mapapasaya, swimming, basketball, volleyball, 10 minutes lang a day. Tapos konting weightlifting, build muscle to stimulate muscle. Progressive overload, resistance training. Yan. Yun lang kailangan mo, at least 15 minutes to 30 a day. So ang total niya, minimum of 25 minutes lang. Kaya mo yan, disiplina lang ang kailangan mo, hindi yan nabibili. Wala nabibili para lumabas abs mo, kailangan mo ng crunches, kailangan mo bababa yung abs mo, kailangan mo mag push-ups, mag-dumbbell press para sa chest. Tama kayo, mali ako na Dr. Do what works for you.